Hey guys, it's Jean again. If you are new, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I will just go straight to what this video is about since I didn't make an intro for this video, and also I didn't make an outro, so sorry for that. So today's video is my Boxycharm unboxing. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay $21 and you get 4 to 5 full-size products with a retail value over 100. So this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. I have done my brows and applied my foundation. So the first product in the box is from Pure, the Complexion Authority. It is their X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. It says an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. And this will exfoliate, plump, hydrate, and soothe. It feels nice and hydrating on my lips. It doesn't have any scent and it did exfoliate my lips. It reminds me of the e.l.f. lip exfoliator in its lipstick-ish packaging, but this one is more waxy and creamy. You know how most lip plumping products feel tingling on the lips? I felt that with just a slight tingle that still feel comfortable on the lips. So far, I haven't noticed any difference on my lips. And this is retail for $17. The second product is the CoverFX Shimmervale. I kind of like it and kind of hate it for now. I like the shade. I think it's a pretty shade. Far away, I like it on my lids, but when I look at it closely, it looks chunky on my lids. And it has a lot of fallout as well when you blend it. This is my first time using an eyeshadow that has this kind of formula, so I really don't know. Maybe I just don't know how to use it. I have to play around with it more. By the way guys, this is retail for $28. Wow! The next product in the box is the Smokey Eye Pencil from Vintage Cosmetics. It says here it's Jessica's richly pigmented Smokey Eye Pencil, delivers intense jet black definition. I never heard this brand before, but this is really nice. It glides smoothly on my lash line or waterline, and it is pigmented too. And I use it to smoke out a little bit of my outer V. I think it went on pretty well, although I think it didn't stay on my waterline after a couple of hours of wearing. It started to fade and smudge a little bit. Granted, I have really sensitive eyes that get watery easily. Next up are these brushes from Crown Pro. This is their trio brush set that we will talk about them after I show you the last products in the box. The last products in the box are from Ofra Cosmetics. It's their pop-up palette mini, which is $19, and the blush Godet refill for $12. I am not sure of the shade name of the blush. Blush Winter Rose Glow or just Winter Rose Glow. Anyway, I think these are my favorite products in the box. I've never had pop-up palette or Z palette before. That's what other brand calls it. So I am really excited getting this. I can customize it whenever we travel. And lastly, the blush. This is a really pretty blush. I am not sure if it is more on the mauve-ish or corally shade. I'm really bad on describing the shades or undertones, but I love the shade of this blush. It is really pigmented. It has a satin finish and has a shine to it that make your cheeks glowy or luminous when you apply it. Not to the point that it's shimmery, it is just pretty on its own. I used a little bit of it on my crease. I think it's a nice crease shade or transition shade. I really love it. Ha! I know what you're thinking right now. Don't these brushes look the same with the Wet n Wild brushes? They're pink and white. And not just the colors, the same carve on the brush's handle as well, where you can place your fingers. Maybe there is slight difference on the shape of the handle, but other than that, they're pretty much similar. They feel soft and fluffy. I only use 2 brushes. The other brush I think is good for contour if you want a really sharp contour, or maybe it's good to blend a concealer since it's really packed. And just a little bit of disclaimer, I didn't use them how you are supposed to, as you can see in the video. Like the powder brush, I used it for the blush and contour. The small brush, I used it to blend my eyeshadows. Anyway, these brushes are retail for $29.99. For some reason, the camera didn't really pick up the colors. It looks more washed out in the camera than in person. Alright guys, this is the finished look using this month's box, and for me, I am more excited about the pop-up palette and the blush from Ofra. The CoverFX, I was thrilled that they included it in the box. I will definitely try it again. So this month's total value is $126.99, which is insanely big amount when you only pay $21. If you are interested, I will leave their link below in the description box. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching, and if you did, please hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Come here. Hello! Say hi, hi! Hi, hi! Hi! Are you Amelia? Are you Amelia? Yes, you're Amelia. Okay. I'll be quick. Alright. Okay, sit there.